Hello everyone, welcome to NextCart tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from PrestaShop to WooCommerce. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen, you'll notice two main sections, the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is PrestaShop. And the target cart is where your data will be transferred to, WooCommerce. First, you'll need to enter the URL of your PrestaShop store here, in the Source Store URL field. Now, we'll want to head over to your PrestaShop site. You can see View My Store here. All you have to do is click and copy this URL from the address bar. Alright, now that we've got the link, let's head back to the Next Cart tab and paste it right here into the Source Store URL field. Next up, we'll need this Kit Connect file. This is a special connection tool that helps to synchronize your data between the two platforms securely. If you haven't connected the Kit Connect folder with PrestaShop, you'll see a 404 error when clicking to check the Kit Connect URL link. Okay, come back to the Next Cart tab. You click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you will see the zip folder located at the top right corner. You click Show in Folder. All you have to do is click on Extract All to unzip the folder. The folder is unzipped now. You can see here, there are two files inside like this. Now, we need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from your computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. Open it. Now, all you have to do is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside, to the right panel, just like I'm doing here. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a File Transfer Successful notification at the bottom of the screen. To check if Kit Connect has successfully connected to your web store, just click on the blue Kit Connect URL link. If it's successful, you'll see this message confirming that the connection has been successfully installed. Alright, the PrestaShop is all done. Now, let's switch over to WooCommerce. First, you'll need to go into your WooCommerce store to get your shop's URL. As on screen, you can see I'm already on my WooCommerce dashboard here. Next, to show you what the store looks like, at the top left corner, you'll see the Demo Store section. Click on it and wait for the store link to appear. You copy this link. And then come back to Target Source Cart, paste this link. Now, because you've already downloaded Kit Connect before, there's no need to download it again. At this point, just drag the Kit Connect folder into FileZilla under the WooCommerce directory. The system will notify you that all files have been transferred successfully. Next, go back and click this blue Kit Connect URL. Yes, you can now see the green success checkmark appear. Click Next Step. Now, you're on the configuration screen. Under Entity Selection, you'll choose the types of data you want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, but since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. Since this is just a demo, you can't select the reviews and coupons. Down to the Additional Options section. I'll pick three options as clear data on your target store before the migration, import descriptions images to your target store, and migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages. For the Advanced Attributes Mapping section, I'll set the product price type and order tax status to tax included. You choose the option that best fits your shop. You don't necessarily have to include tax the same way I did here. Now, under the Order Status Mapping section, Awaiting check payment is set to pending payment. Payment accepted goes to processing. Processing in progress is processing. Shipped is completed. Delivered is completed, canceled and refunded stay the same. Payment error is failed. On backorder is mapped to processing. Awaiting bank wire payment is pending payment. Remote payment accepted is processing. On backorder, not paid is on hold. And finally, awaiting cash on delivery validation is processing. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. In this process, the migration will begin, and I'll speed up the video a little bit to show you how all the data is being transferred. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification. That covers all the steps for migrating your data from PrestaShop to WooCommerce by using NextCart. Now, let's head over to WooCommerce and check if all entities are covered. I want to check products first. Yes, all products are here. Let's open this t-shirt product to check whether my 6% tax has been migrated. Yes, it displayed 6% in here. Categories look like normal. Nothing is missing or messed up. I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these two platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and try the Pro version. If you're having any issues or have questions, just send a help desk ticket. Just enter your frequently used email in Requester, the subject like I'm typing, and the content of your question, then hit Submit. Our technicians will receive the information, assist and sort out any issues you might have. Feel free to open a ticket anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.